Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdo, bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Bosco Media Network. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Joy joins the country in expressing solidarity against the arrest of Father Stan Swami. Permission of NOC depend on the Rangbashnang CEM KHADC. Deputy Commissioner level joint border meeting, West Jainta Hills and West Karbi Anglong District. And now the news in detail. A candlelight vigil was organized by Friends of Jesuits, Dr. Moses Karbitai and Richard Emyong in collaboration with All India Catholic Union Jowai Diocese, led by President J. Sten in front of the MHS Multipurpose Hall. The candlelight vigil was attended by both men and women. A keynote address was given by Father Gabriel Carluni. Speaking at the candlelight vigil, Mutchwa Thaba, President ICYM, Terence Sawian, Mr. G. Sten, President AICU Jowai, President ICYM Richard Emyong, Father Ibor Nongba and Moses Karbitai in one voice expressed that Father Stan is the voice of the voiceless and all the people should stand united together to voice out their concern for Father Stan and that he should be released at the earliest. The vote of thanks was proposed by Richard Emyong.
The 83-year-old person, and we from the Jowai Diocese, and we, the youth of Indian Catholic Youth Movement, we condemn and we demand the release of Father Stan.
Shri Titos Tarwell Khan said, there is no tie between the council and the NGOs whatsoever. He said that the NGOs are working in their own understanding to help the public and the council also has got its way of working for the welfare of the people.
Kamdan kanu ban ongba ngia suthu jengmut bagi NGO lani bagi subut bagi NGO rei kadai bai bakiru kile na kabanta ngathai na kabanta ka ba ngiru ngi perkhat na kabanta ka ba.
The CEM KHADC, Mr. Titos Tarwell Khan, today, the 20th October 2020, expressed concern over the encroachment by the non-tribal in Kanapara and the construction of one 3-storied building in the area, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Right Mirwet. A question was raised as where did they get the NOC from? Therefore, from the executive committee of the KHADC, it has taken decision to summon the CM or the local head of Right Mirwet and Himamalayam to inspect on the matter.
Department Cingwan Ra ikat tu kat ni ki amendment ki up jang ki hima nangta ki resolution ki bangsa please of our house resolution ki badan kami but kamat keputusan ke bangi kerenutan kalau hadir ba kaladon kenika jingwan encroach jong ki jaka hang thia po Kanapara kabala sedang ban sna ya wiga building kebalong hadu lai malah kabahab apo ka hima yung kahima malim kabahab apo im right marwet te kani ka jaka ko mangitip kadang hap apa Meghalaya tinata kadaw nakaliang jongka ising la simkya halo kani ka chisna be ai ya kani ka building he tengilarai ban khat yo siem jongka lại marwet ba kumju ru yo siem kai ma bendiam bakin wan percaya ha ke isi halo kanuka nongrem naka eka daw ba kami kanika building here.
A Deputy Commissioner level joint border meeting was held today, 20th October 2020 at West Jaintia Hills District in the conference room of Soil and Water Conservation Office, Jowai. The meeting was led by LNS Dykes, Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills, along with the Superintendent of Police B. Marak, MPS Additional Deputy Commissioner Shri L. Kinjing, Border Magistrate B. Bla and Dr. B. Langbang, and department officers of the district. A team of delegates from Assam, West Karbi Anglong, Hamran district delegations comprised Deputy Commissioner Shri Syed S. Farooq Rahman, Superintendent of Police Srimati Ramandeep Kaur, IPS Additional Deputy Commissioner Border Magistrate West Karbi Anglong Shri Robert Tuello, officers from the Forest, PWD Department and from KAAC. In the afternoon, the meeting was attended by CEM Thombor Shiwat and the executive members of the JHADC, and from the Assam delegations include Shri Dr. Mansingh Rongpi, MLA 20 by Thalangso, ST, LAC and executive members of KAAC. Speaking to the media persons after the meeting, Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills Garot LNS Dyke said that the Deputy Commissioner of both the district discussed on the ongoing development works in the area and that the border dispute should not interfere with the works in interest of the people of the area by following the decisions of the previous DC level meeting to maintain the status quo. It was also decided that there should be community level meetings between villages from both sides of the border and that the DCs will initiate this process. The Deputy Commissioner also informed that it was decided that they will start promoting trade and commerce in the area, especially local products, and as such it will help strengthen the bond between people from both sides. The Joint Action Committee JAC has on Saturday held a meeting at Pramer, West Jaintia Hills, to which it concurred and extended its support towards the state government's decision of renewing the fare prices of trucks loading commodities. Renewal of such was introduced at the beginning of the year, but the context of which were of dubitation on the part of cement factories to follow suit with the new pattern. The chairman of the JAC, N. Tinkan, informed that the decision taken by the state government was solely based on meticulous review and scrutiny, to which a proposal was asserted to change the rate per kilometre from Rs 7 to Rs 11 on normal roads, Rs 8 changed to Rs 12 on concrete roads, Rs 10 changed to Rs 12 on sandy roads. Adding that, with the agreement taken upon, the committee will hold a discussion with the DTO of East Jaintia Hills in order to finalize and proceed with the new pattern. On the other hand, Nida Monchulet, president of Jaintia Hills Truck Owners and Drivers Association, JHTOA, furthermore informed that the cement factory organization have filed a case against the decision taken by the state government. However, the Meghalaya High Court has aligned its decision to strengthen the government's behest as per the Motor Vehicle Act. The president of the JHTOA urges the Truck Owners Association of Khasis and Jaintia Hills to collectively work with the state government for the overall benefit of all concerned.
Tunat panitu UP ba ke sarkar arpusan tarik upnai September kala ai ke notification ba ke company kedai ban siu baikit kata hnyau kilometer hakaciton kilometer hakaciton minimum maximum kedai hadway ka kilometer hakaciton de mentang ke meeting ke bangilong mentang sengi la rai ba ini kentu ya Yau Regional Transport Authority subulang DTO untuk ya cleariat ini kendu yo bat ingin buru ke jengkeli balai gini semen factory kim pentrekam hadu mentah nama nadu arusan tadi usah tembar lah ai ke sarkar kala ai ke notification di hadin nang tang isi berkat ka ai ingin le nang tak gini semen factory ba kidai ban pentrekam nane kumno ingin rai hadin bang ili kendu batu DTO ingin rai ba kumno ingin pressure ya kena semen factory ba kidai ban ai nama wat hakur ro wat ka ai kur ro kalau orang bab himla banyak lain nak notification jam kesalahan.
Di Sigentin Argentin, lai ni ba, don have joint action committee, don ka Gentia Truckers Association, serta ka don ka Meghalaya Truckers Union, bat ka Meghalaya Transporter Association. Di ka bang akwa ba hak keluar kendiat syaki. Perlok ki bayi putrok parok dan pokok state Meghalaya. Kalau kami ke buat kendiat, ke jingger padu kalau bawai, kapa hiing idon mentatang kendiat pun. Teri ke jingyelek jungi nadu arajar kan rio. Hadu menta arajar arkau ilayo so bankai. Teri ke jingyelek ke basyak matbat ban penim ya kitrai muluk kitrai jela jungi kadang bun ba. Tengah kerpat ifi ki prari ki bayi putrok kiba don mata hakni ke kam bandikit banjaba ya kimar mata hak state Meghalaya ba pinyawan lang banjosop lang banjojoin lang hakni ke joint action committee lang ba anda don genu ke issue nang ni sikmat hak bidai ba genu ke jike jumpi trai kali kiba ibu drop kiba jutrai ya kam bandikit ya ba surum ceneng ba pinya don lang bani wan jojoin lang kenang ba geni ke isi kan nang kam klan cucu ba genu ke kam ka bangi plan banle ban yo jim to yipi
Let us now have a look at the COVID-19 updates for today. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.